His Holiness is indeed a leading diplomat of peace, spiritual growth, and human development. His Holiness and the Dawoodi Bohra community in Kenya continue to significantly contribute to our economy while promoting unity, philanthropy, and peace in support of national stability and economic progress. Notably, the Bohra community in Kenya has been active in popularizing cricket, thus contributing to Kenya's sporting culture and advancing our nation's sports diplomacy. The magnificent institution we toured today stands as a testament to the community's commitment to empowering individuals and strengthening communities through education, as well as promoting environmental protection. And I know, Your Excellency, you have a knack for good architecture. So you have met your challenger today.